Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup product images with Cloudinary scheduled backups, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Cloudinary account. Navigate to the dashboard to access your media library. Identify the product images you want to backup. Select the images you wish to include in the backup process. Now, click on the Media Library tab for detailed management options. Look for the backup feature on the left sidebar. Choose the Scheduled Backups option from the menu. Click on the Create Backup button to set up a new backup schedule. In the prompt, name your backup for easy identification. Select the frequency of the backup. You can choose daily, weekly, or monthly. Specify the time of day you want the backup to occur. Determine which images to include in this backup session. You can select all images or just specific folders. Review your choices before finalizing the backup schedule. Once satisfied, click on the Save button to activate the scheduled backup. You will receive a confirmation message indicating your backup has been set. To view or edit existing backups, return to the Scheduled Backups section. Here, you'll see a list of all your scheduled backups. Select any entry to modify the schedule or contents as needed. Make sure to monitor the backups regularly for any issues. This ensures that all your product images are securely backed up. Every scheduled backup will be stored automatically, giving you peace of mind. With these steps, your product images will always be safe and easily retrievable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.